Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create save searches for a specific lead in AeroIDX. Save searches help you automatically match properties to your leads based on their interests, while keeping everyone updated with new listings and market changes. Let's get started. There are multiple ways to access your leads inside AeroIDX. You'll find lead sections directly from the dashboard, like the main cards at the top, or if you scroll down, you'll see recent lead activity or client engagement sections. Or you can navigate to the dedicated leads page. Once you click on a lead, you'll be taken to the lead details view. Here you'll see updated information about the lead, including their profile, recent actions, and activity history. Before creating a saved search, it's important to understand what your lead is actually looking for. Not every lead should receive the same filters or price ranges. For example, assigning every lead a search between $1 million and $2 million probably won't deliver the best results. A great place to start is the latest activity section. Here you can review the lead's most recent behavior, properties viewed, searches performed, favorites, and other interactions. This gives you valuable insights into their preferences, helping you build a more accurate and personalized saved search. Once you're ready, click on Create Property Alert. This is where you'll configure the property criteria for your saved search. Inside the builder, you have access to a powerful set of filters. You can configure options like location, price range, beds and baths, listing type, property type, square footage, year built, and additional advanced filters. You can also use Draw Search directly on the map to create a custom geographic search area. Take advantage of these filters to align the search with the lead's actual interests and browsing behavior. Another useful option inside the builder is notification delivery. You can choose to send the saved search updates to the lead, the agent, or both. This gives you flexibility depending on your workflow and communication preferences. You can also choose to send the saved search immediately. After configuring your filters and notification settings, simply click Save Search. Your property alert is now active and ready to start tracking matching listings. That's it. With saved searches in AeroIDX, you can create more personalized property alerts, better match listings to your leads, and automate ongoing listing updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.